Some regard the move as a new weapon in China's trade arsenal. Foreign companies, organizations or individuals who fail to obey market rules and/or harm the legitimate rights and interests of Chinese enterprises will be listed as unreliable foreign entities.
一些外国实体出于非商业目的
Some foreign entities have violated market rules for non-commercial purposes and launched discriminatory measures against Chinese companies. Such moves endanger the legitimate interests of enterprises, harm China's national security, and threaten the global industrial supply chain. This has also inflicted a negative impact on the global economy and enterprises and consumers around the world.
The ministry says the list is in accordance with Chinese laws and regulations.
依据中华人民共和国
The move is based on the foreign trade law, the antitrust law, and the national security law. Companies that impose blockades, interruptions, or other discriminatory measures on Chinese entities for non-commercial purposes will be included.
The move comes amid the ongoing trade tensions between China and the United States. Chinese authorities say the country has the determination to safeguard its national security in the global multilateral trading system. And they announced more specifics on what measures will be taken against the firms that find themselves on the list are expected to be announced soon. Youyang, CGTN.